In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format notes pages for printing in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you use speaker notes to guide your talk or want to share handouts that include both a slide and detailed explanations, formatting your notes pages before printing makes a huge difference in readability and professionalism. Let's walk through the process so your printouts look clean, consistent, and easy to follow. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. You'll be working directly within the file you plan to print, so make sure it's the final version you want to share. Next, go to the View tab and choose Notes page. This view shows each slide at the top and a notes area underneath. Think of this as your page layout workspace. What you see here is essentially what your printed page will look like, so it's a great place to adjust spacing, proportions, and overall balance. Now, adjust the size and position of the slide and the notes area. Click the slide thumbnail or the notes text box, then drag the corners or edges to resize them. Aim for comfortable margins so nothing looks cramped. If your notes are long, give the notes area more space and shrink the slide slightly. If your notes are brief, you can keep the slide larger for better visual impact. Use the on-screen guides to align elements neatly and zoom in if you need finer control. Keep an eye out for any text that might run off the page. With the layout in place, change the font, color, or style of your notes if needed. Select your notes text and apply formatting just as you would on a slide. Choose a legible font, a size that's comfortable to read on paper, often a bit larger than on-screen text, and a color with strong contrast against the white background. Keep styles consistent across slides and consider line spacing to prevent dense blocks of text. Simple, clear formatting is best for printed notes. When you're happy with the layout and styling, go to File, then Print. Under Settings, select Notes Pages so PowerPoint knows to print each slide along with the formatted notes below. Use the preview to confirm that text isn't cut off, spacing looks balanced, and everything sits within the page. If something looks off, return to Notes Page View, tweak it, and come back to print. That's all you need to format notes pages for clear, professional printouts. With a few quick adjustments, your handouts will be polished and presenter-ready.